Hi, Willis here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a special video. I am actually downtown Montego Bay, the heart of St. James, in the Charles Gordon Market. I'll be capturing the sights and sounds of the market with you, so stay tuned. Come here back now, please.
$100. Alright. Garlic $100.
50 a pound, 50 a pound or something.
Get it back to them, it's 100.
Cinnamon leaf, garlic, tomato,
Private yard.
Yeah, man. Garlic's $100. 100 for garlic.
What's a pound of cheese? Local cheese.
Yeah, man. My name is Cynthia.
Cynthia? And what do you have here, Cynthia? What do you have today?
I have different types of peas. This is bean, mungo, split peas, black eye, lentil, chickpeas, otherwise garbanza, cowpeas, red peas, and kidney bean.
Kidney bean. Oh, you know, I didn't know there was a difference between kidney bean and red peas. You know?
Yes, it's a difference. Kidney bean is a big one and red peas is a small one.
All of these are grown in Jamaica?
No,
Okay.
they're all the way from.
Which ones are grown as far as you know in Jamaica?
You got the bean in Jamaica and the gungo.
And the Congo?
And also the red peas too.
The red peas, okay. What do you love most about Jamaica, darling?
Well, Jamaica things are really stuff. We like them.
Yeah. Alright, good. You want to pick up anybody, or you want to put your number if anybody want to contact you to get in here?
Well, my number is 410-6920. You can get garlic, onion, red peas, different types of peas, apples, grapes, and all different stuffs.
Alright. Pick up yourself. All the best, my friend. Alright, cool.
Up, way up.
This is the line? No, I'm going to come to it. Alright, so I'm still walking around and I'm just fortunate to run into Joe and Andrea. Joe and Andrea are living in Montego Bay. They're actually running Trinidad home, but I'm going to ask them to tell us a little bit more about what they do in Jamaica and why they're here on the market.
So what we do is we operate a children's home through that we are licensed by the CDA, or it's now called the CPFSA. And what we do is we organize churches in America to come down and build church group homes for the children and the families down here that aren't able to afford it themselves. So we just organize groups to come down, and they're able to just help build homes for the people in need and just help Jamaicans. So.
And we also have 12 children that we're taking care of right now.
Wonderful. And where is that?
Bogue Hill?
Bogue Hill, yeah.
Bogue Hill?
By Bogue Hill.
All right. If people want to reach out to you, how do they go about
You can go onto our website. It's www.JamaicanRM. RM stands for Relief Ministries. So it's www.JamaicanRM.org. O-R-G.
Wonderful. And my favorite question to all my interviewees is, what is special about Jamaica? What makes Jamaica special to you?
Jamaica is beautiful. The entire island is just amazing. A lot of beautiful country, a lot of beautiful people. Everybody is very nice, very friendly. Hospitality is very great down here. And I mean, look around. You have beautiful. I mean, everything's beautiful about Jamaica. Yeah.
And it's warm down here. I mean, we come from snow.
Yeah.
So it's warm down here.
Oh, and where is that snow? Canada, America?
So we actually are down from northern Indiana. The state of Indiana.
Okay. Wonderful, man. Thanks.
All right.
Nice meeting you guys. All the best.
you.
Hope to see you again. We'll be in touch.
All right. Blessings to your day.
Let's say thanks. Alright, so I'm still walking around in the market and I'm capturing the sights and sounds of the Charles Garden Market in Montego Bay, and I'm excited to come across to my friend, Bones. Bones is a buddy of mine. I normally come here to get my dandelion to make dandelion tea and my busy. So Bones, how are you, my friend? Good, I'm good, darling. Alright, so I want you to tell me about, you have a stall here. I want you to tell me a little about what you have, some of the products that you have here in the market.
Right here we have cinnamon powder for the whole. You know, cinnamon is good for making a cup of tea or use it as spice. To spice like cake or your drink or so on. Right here we have bungo peas. This is one of our most valuable peas in Christmas time. Jamaican love this peas at Christmas, but this one is dry right now.
Yeah.
So we use it to make our Christmas dinner.
Good.
And we have pimento, otherwise called allspice. We have it in green and we have the grounded one. So you know this as a spice to spice whatever you want.
Good, good. All local stuff.
Yeah, these are all local.
Okay. And I see mangoes here.
Yes, we have a wide variety of mangoes such as stringy, otherwise called airy. We have Julie mango. Over here we have the East Indian. It's very nice. We have Lesberry, otherwise called sapodilly.
What is it called?
Sapodilly.
Okay.
They are Jamaican fruits.
All right. Is that peanut up here?
Yes, peanut in the shell. We all know peanut. Alright. Over here we have locust.
What's that for? What is the purpose of that?
It's a fruit that when you heard about the story of John in the wilderness eating locust, this is locust. otherwise called thinking toe.
Yeah.
It's a fruit inside. The shell is very hard. You'd have to use something hard to mash the shell so you can get the fruit from it. It's also very useful for like your urinary tract. So it's cancer. It helps to lower the cancer cells so it don't become cancerous. And it helps with the urinary tract also for any infection and so on. It's very useful. Right here is a little symbol of chocho growing on the stalk. This is what a chocho plant looks like. It's a squash. It's from a squash family. Sweet potato. We have string beans, carrots, sweet peppers, cucumber, escallion. They're all fresh coming from the farm yesterday and being in the market today. So we have thyme, spice also.
All locally grown.
Yeah, they are Jamaican, locally grown. Over here we have a wide variety of herbs. On the shelf over there we have roots tonic, molasses, and meringue seeds.
Alright, so this is my favorite stuff, the root stuff. So tell me tell me about that now. Alright, so what is the first bottle? What is that?
This is molasses. It's made from sugar cane.
Alright, so these bottles really are just, these are different products in them. We just use the bottles to bottle them.
Right, and you have roots. It's called the roots tonic. It's made from all Jamaican roots. I'll give you the ingredients of all that is in this and also show you too the ingredients that is made in that honey. Over here we have bundle roots.
You have?
Bundle roots. These are some of the items that is in the tonic.
Okay.
Right here we have, this is called raw moon.
Raw moon.
Raw moon. You know what this is? They're all in the tonic.
Yeah.
And here we have the strong back.
Okay.
Sarsaparilla. Cheney root. We also have the raw moon bark, the nerve whisk, and we have blood whisk also. We have.
I'm curious, Bone. Where do we find all of this stuff here?
Mostly in the forest. In the forest.
So you have somebody who supplies it to you, right?
Yes, because if you notice, I have a wide variety of things and I can't be around all these locations, so I have to have other people supplying me with all these items to keep the business going. In my hand we have cinnamon leaf. Over there I show you the cinnamon powder, but this is the leaf. In Jamaica we all find everything useful here. We try not to waste any of the items that we have. We try to use them up in different ways.
Okay.
It is same useful as the powder.
Okay.
Here we have the ginseng bush. This is called duppy gun.
Ginseng?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know we have it in Jamaica. I thought it was from the Middle East.
It is locally grown.
All right.
This is the ginseng fruit. This is what the Magnum tonic wine is made from. And this is the ginseng fruit right here. So you know we combine them together with other herbs.
Okay, nice.
And you know how to make the ginseng tonic. Over here we have the rosemary.
What's that, darling?
Oh, this is parsley.
Parsley, okay.
Yeah, but you know parsley, we use it as a vegetable, but we also use it to make tea and so on. It's very useful, and if you're doing a detox and so on, you could use this. We have the rosemary right here. It's like an all-purpose antibiotic. It's good for everything. Some people use it as a spice also to do their rosemary chicken in the rice and peas. Some people use it to smoke. Some people use it as incense. It does a wide variety of stuff.
Okay.
The rosemary.
All right,
it
good.
also lowers the cancer cells. If you know of anyone has cancer, and it's good for the brain also. It's good for the skin tone. It's good for the skin. It's so useful.
Alright, good. And I see I noticed one though at least, so I'm not too bad. I know my readers will be so disappointed if I was not able to identify one. I identify one, and this is Cersei. I almost forgot the name. Cersei. Alright, good. That's Cersei, and I know Cersei is bitter. My grandmother gave it to me, and I know that's good for cleansing, right?
Right, it cleanses the blood. It's one of our best cleanser that cleanses the blood, and good to make tea, or you could also use it if you have any rash on the skin. You could use it externally by using it to bathe and so on. Over here we have Busy, also called the coconut. It's good for any poison, any toxin in the body. You could use this to make a cup of tea. Or if you are tomaine poison, like you eat anything in can or certain kind of food or fish or so on, then you could have a cup of Busy and it get rid of the toxin in the body.
It's a great, it would have grated. And this is just for the benefit of my readers and listeners. This is actually one of my favorite products I come here to get from Bones every now and then. So it's actually dried and grated, and then we use that solution, so to speak, to make the tea.
Right here we have black mint, otherwise called spearmint. We use it to make tea. This is what the spearmint chewing gums and the spearmint toothpaste and whatever is made from spearmint. This is the spearmint herb that they are made from.
All right, wonderful. Is there any final one or two you want to capture, and then I want to go back to those seeds up there, but is there anything else you want to capture that is significant here, you think? You have a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not sure we'll be able to go through all of them.
This is called dog blood. It's an infection bush, otherwise called timmy. Any infection in the body, you could use this to make a cup of tea also.
What's the name of it?
Dog blood.
Dog blood.
Or timmy.
Timmy, okay.
Or pitney muma bush.
Pitney muma bush, alright. Alright, so somebody will recognize one of those names, I'm sure.
Yes. It blooms a very red substance.
Okay.
When it is ripe.
Alright. You know, before I forget, Bones, I want to ask you seem to know a lot about these herbs, man. Where did you get all of this knowledge?
I read and educate myself.
Okay.
Because the reason why about 6 years ago I didn't know much about these herbs, and my brother-in-law was diagnosed with cancer, and when he was on the chemo, and one of my friends said to me, why you all didn't try herbs? And I said, herbs, I don't know much about it. And he said, yes man, you could do some herbs for him. And it's like he was already on the chemo and going to several doctors and hospitals. And sometimes when he's on the medication, I like pep in and give him a little, and I watch him make great changes. And that's when I reconsider that herb is really the healing of the nation, and that's when I start doing herbs more and more. So I try to educate myself through herbs and educate others also.
Alright, very good. Alright, so we have a lot more bush here, but we're gonna a lot more herbs. Not bush, but herbs, right? Alright, and then I see something familiar to me. Those bottles, what are
over here we have the meringue seeds. We have the meringue seed. It's in a shell like a peanut or a pistachio nuts.
Okay.
In it we have the kernel, which is called the nut. Take from the shell like this with a knife or your finger. It's very soft, not too hard. This is what the kernels look like.
Alright.
You could throw this up, take it like a pill, but if you throw it absorbs through the bloodstream much easier, so it works much faster.
Alright.
So you could throw It also helps you to flush easily because when you eat this, it has 3 different flavors: sour, sweet, and also bitter. So therefore you could have this with a bottle of water.
Okay.
Right?
Wonderful.
And it's very useful. It's like an alternate antibiotic.
Wonderful. All right, we'll fix that. I'll help you fix that. What about, what's down there?
That's flaxseed.
Okay.
Otherwise called linseed. That's where you get your omega.
Is that made? Is that the Jamaican product?
Yeah, it's flaxseed. Linseed.
Okay.
Over here we have one of our cultural seed. We call this anata or nata. Our great grandmother or grandpa used to use as coloring when they're doing our coconut rundown and so on. What you gonna do? Come on.
That's your son?
No.
The security?
My grandnephew.
Grandnephew? What are you talking about? Alright, say big up. Alright, good.
Okay, so we use this as a food coloring like curry.
Okay.
And as a spice also.
Grown in Jamaica as well?
Yes, man. It's locally grown. It is called nata.
Okay.
Nata.
Alright, my friend. Okay, I think we have covered most. We won't be able to cover everything because you have too much. You're selling traditional vegetables and stuff, but you also have a lot of herbs. And that's why I want to pick you up. I don't know you as a herb lady. I know you as a market lady, but you seem to know everything about everything.
Yes, because
Alright.
I have to know what I want to know.
Okay. Alright,
Try
so
my best.
my favorite question, what makes Jamaica special to you, my friend?
Mostly Jamaica is special to me because this is my country. I was born here and I don't think no other country is better than my country because of the culture and the people and the food and the herbs that we have locally grown here. So this is my country and it is the best country in the whole wide world.
Perfect. Alright, my friend Bone, so man, it's such a pleasure talking to you. I want to know if there's anybody who wants to get in touch with you to learn more about what you do or to get any of your products, how do they contact you?
Yeah, man, they could contact me at 1-876-446-3268. Phones, otherwise called Sabrina Spence.
Sabrina, straight from the heart of the market. Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
Alright, I'm on the other side of the market and I'm meeting up with a buddy of mine, Bridget. I'm just going to allow her to tell me a little bit about some of the beautiful products she has here. By the way, Bridget, your stall is awesome, really nicely organized.
Thank you.
Big up yourself. Alright, so just tell me about some of the stuff you have here.
We have carrots, garlic, onion, sour sop.
Sour sop, sour sop, you know anything what sour sop is good for though?
Sour sop has a lot of what am I supposed to say? Main effect it is good for cancer. It decreases the cancer cells.
Okay.
And we have avocados.
Alright. I call it pear.
Here.
Alright.
We have mangoes. We have nutberry or kiwi. We have local grown ginger. Tomatoes. Sweet potato. String bean.
That's the string bean.
We have local onions. We have slicing tomato. We have hot pepper. We have Irish potato.
Oh, where's the
We have local Irish, cocoa, yellow yam.
So, where is it with Irish potato?
Irish potato, cocoa, yellow
Cocoa you're
yam.
pointing, okay.
Turmeric at the back. Jackfruit on my neighbor's stall. Sweet potato, come along.
Just show me, because I don't think they will know.
This is jackfruit. This is sweet potato. This is pumpkin. This is turnip.
Turnip, oh, good. That's something like carrot, right?
No, it's like chocho.
Oh, chocho.
Go on the inside. We have cauliflower, and that is Auntie Marcia, and she's doing some maranga.
Nice. This is moringa, sister.
Yes, it is.
Nice, nice, nice.
It's good for cancer cells in your body.
Good, good, good. All right.
Help to cure it.
Huh?
Help to cure the cancer cells in
Oh, it's a
your
powerful
body.
product, yeah?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
You can see some more up here. In
Oh,
the
we have
jar.
more here as well. What else do you have up there?
This is nutmeg. This is honey. This is our natural boiled coconut oil.
That's coconut oil. Cool,
Yeah,
cool.
boiled one.
Boil, okay.
This is the boiled one, not
Okay.
the one what come from the factory.
Commercial, yeah.
Yes, the boiled raw one.
Okay.
And you know this is turmeric.
That's locally grown.
Turmeric, yes it is. That is what you see out here.
Okay.
This is also turmeric, but this one now is the one what we drink for cancer for our body.
Okay, cool. And that looks like peppermint. Is that me?
That is peppermint.
Okay. What else? I think everything else.
You can see the basket. them up
Oh,
here.
cool, 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 cool.
Our
Nice.
local made basket.
Oh, what is this thing here?
Oh, this is the moringa leaf.
Oh, the leaves. Oh, it's
Yes,
good
this
as well.
is the seed. Yes, this is the seed and this is the leaf. It's
Okay.
all so good.
All right. What's your name again, my friend?
Huh?
What's your name again?
My name is Marcia.
Marcia. Big up,
Rasta.
Rasta Marcia. Big up.
Rasta.
Thank you. Yeah, all the best, my friend. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Cool, cool, cool. All right. And right across from Bridget, I have a buddy, Millicent. Millicent is selling everything as well. But I noticed one thing that caught my attention. Caught my attention is some pots. Some pots. Millicent, what kind of pots are these?
This is our original Dutch pot.
Dutch pot.
Yes.
All sizes. All sizes.
different styles, yeah.
All right. Oh, how could I forget this? What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. You made it? Or
Yeah,
you-
cocoa come from the chocolate tea, the original.
Original chocolate.
Yeah.
All right. You can take out one of them that you show me. My readers.
What happened? I don't use them just with my
Beer hand.
Beer
no, man,
hand.
no, man. No. That's the right thing to do.
right.
Right thing to do. So this
Chocolate tea.
yeah.
We make it long just like this.
Nice, 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 nice. Nice. All right, and then I see something else up here. Are you gonna tell me what
Oh,
is
these are just the same Irish moss.
Irish mush? How you get that? Where you get that?
This is from the sea.
Ah, oh, interesting. Irish mush. You sell that as well?
Yes.
Okay, good. Anything else you want to highlight?
This is turmeric.
Uh-huh.
The original name is tambric.
Okay.
When we then fix it up, you get turmeric. We just call it turmeric.
If anybody want any of your Dutchie, how can they contact you? You want them to contact you, or you prefer they just come in the market and look for you?
I prefer to just come in the market and look for me.
Charles Gard Market
Charles
on
Gard.
the bottom side, the east side,
Yeah, off of Stick Road.
off of Stick Road.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, darling. All the best.
You are welcome.
Ouça Garlic Saúde! Garlic Saúde! Garlic Saúde, rapaz!
Every sickness and diseases people can be cured naturally. When the medical doctor says there is no cure for sickness and diseases, that is a lie, because every sickness and disease can be cured easily. You have to build your immune system, which is your white blood cell count, your T cell count. Once you build your immune system, your T cell count, you cure yourself from all disease. Viruses can be cured easily. It only takes an antibody to kill a virus. What you need to eradicate poison from the human body is natural antidote. Antibodies. Here in Jamaica, we have several natural antibodies. We have the digits with the cover activity, the respirator, and the start powder. Use it in conjunction.
I have a bridging, roots bridging, at the market. I asked him to tell me a little about what I'm doing. And what I have there. What you have there, my brother?
Me have linseed, Irish mash and come rabbit and icing glass and honey. Take off the cork and turn down and it can't come out of the buckle at all. You build up your nerves and your joints and your back.
What else you have?
Me have linseed and Irish mash and cover rabbit and isinglass. I want to sweeten up with milk. Your nerves, your joints, and put zinc in your body. We have chain root, strong back, saucy perla, medina weed, young banana, coconut root, guppy gunner, and nerve whisk. Alright. Any what this boy they are yard, any liar. Anybody picking in favor them? E. Contact number 88308811. E.
Alright, respect the boss, more power, yeah? All the best, man. Original roots, man, for the market.
E.
Ah, E.
Oh, yeah, boy!
There you go, my friends, the sights and sounds of the Charles Gard Market in Montego Bay. Basically finished with the clips and sound, but I have one last person beside me. What's your name, buddy? Nadine. And Nadine is you're from St. Anne? Oh, my wife is from St. Anne. Alright, and Nadine has corn. Alright, Nadine, corn. Alright, so how you sell it, Nadine?
I sell 4 for $100.
4 for 100?
Yes.
Okay, and sweet potato, I realize.
And sweet potato is $50 per pound.
Okay, excellent. How is it going here?
Well, it's very slow, but we still can evolve.
Okay, good. Alright, well, pick up yourself. All the best. I wish you luck. All the best. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, there you go, my friends. Sights and sounds of Charles Gard Market in Montego Bay. I hope you enjoyed it. If not already subscribed, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated with all my trekking and adventures in and around Jamaica. Which of those characters are your favorite though? Share with us in the comments below. Thank you so much.